So hello student, this is Tushar and welcome to Genius Print. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about this PVM examination 2021. So in our earlier classes, we have taken these different videos of different classes or different examinations. So today in this particular classes, I appeared here to deliver these lectures only for this PVM examination 2021 strategical plan. Okay. So this lectures is only in English because I am sure all the students from this different part of this India are going to give these examinations, and for that reasons I appeared here uh, through this English language. Okay, so those who have not got these topics can stay with us. You will definitely understand. And another thing is that if there is any kind of problems regarding this video lectures, you can write on the comment sections. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. And another thing is that please, those who have not subscribed our channels, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you can get this entire notification regarding these examinations first of all. Okay, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Okay, so let's get started. So in this particular sessions, I am going to tell you about this strategical plan. That means how you could prepare for this examinations 2021. In this particular topics, I want to share another thing is that in previous years also we have taken this strategical video, but this was for this time, that means for that 2020 times. But now you have to change some of this strategy because today's examination, some of the syllabus and some of this point have replaced as compared to previous one, because previous one examinations was based on the scientist of Venkatesh Bapuji Katkar, but 2021's examinations they chosen another scientist, which is Acharya Prafulla Chandra Ray. Okay, so I will take this another classes for the biography of Acharya Prafulla Chandra Ray and different MCQ question from him, from his biography. Okay, so those please those who have actually formed this fill up these forms are welcome to our channels, and those who have not fill up it yet, please fill up these forms, and its registration is 30th of I think October. Okay, so that means in this month. So please fill up these forms and prepared for these examinations. I can hopefully say that this, if you prepared for these examinations, it will definitely enhance your preparation for this school or board examinations also. Okay, so please stay with us and enjoy all this video and stay connected always with us. Okay, so let's get started. Some of the things that you have to remember while giving these examinations is that you have to go through, not only go through, you have to completely read. Which one? NCERT. NCERT. You have to read this NCERT textbook very carefully, because each and every word from this textbook, they can make another question for this. Okay, so you have to go through this NCERT textbooks very carefully, and all this activity also. Okay, and next thing is that you have to read some advanced books. Okay, advanced books means what? There is two types of books. Advanced, one is referral and another is text related. That is, one is reference and another is advanced higher class. Higher. Okay, so for example, suppose you are a student of class 7, then you have to read these books of class 8 also, because these topics of class 7 or 6 will covered in this further classes also elaborately. So you have to take this elaboration. So for that reason you have to read advanced books, and this is higher books. Okay, and reference book means are those books which are parallelly you can follow, because suppose you have books of NCERT class 7, NCERT class 7, And beside this, you have to follow Lakshmi Singh. Lakshmi Singh, very good books, or some books from Dinesh and some books from Tata McGraw-Hill. Okay, Tata McGraw-Hill. These are very good books, and some IIT Foundation. Yes, very important books is IIT Foundation. IIT Foundation books. These are very good books. Actually, this kind of reference books will boost your knowledge, because there is a lots of tough questions. I am not supposed to say that only tough questions will come. No, not like that. But this kind of questions, if you follow, then you will get a knowledge, a common knowledge, so that you can solve these remaining questions without reading also. Okay, so you have to follow these books. These are two kind of advanced books. One is for this higher classes like NCERT higher classes, and another is for this reference books. Okay, so you have to follow these things. Okay, let me erase it. Another thing is that we will provide some study materials for these examinations. Those who want to take our classes or purchase our classes, please write on the comment sections and give your phone number, WhatsApp number. I will try to consult with you. Okay. Next thing is you have to follow is that previous year question paper is very important. Previous year question paper. So we have already made this video of this previous year question paper. You can see by clicking on this I buttons. Okay, so we have already made this video in previous year. So you have to follow this previous year question paper and some model paper also. Okay, next point is model paper, current model paper. Current model paper. You have to keep another thing is that mock test. Very important thing, mock test. This mock test will enhance your knowledge definitely. Most probably they will start this mock test from 1st November. Okay, so you have to visit their official website and try to give this mock test from 1st November. It may change, but you have to check these things. Okay, so what things I have written here? One is NCERT textbooks you have to go through, another is advanced books, where is two types of, one is reference and another is higher. Next things is previous year question paper. Very important things, because by go through this previous year question papers, you can easily understand that what type of questions they will ask in your present examinations also. Okay, I am sure those who are preparing for this examinations have already known these things, but these are chronological serial things that already you have to keep in mind, and all these things together so you have to keep in mind. Okay, so this will try to enhance your knowledge. Another things is current model paper. You have to go through this current model paper, because sometimes question papers are changes, and in these topics they will change some of the topics from this Indian contribution to science, and some of the question from this biography of this Acharya Prafulla Chandra Ray. Okay, so for this reason some of the questions will change, so you have to follow this, or you have to give this mock test so that you can current model paper, so that you can get what kind of questions will ask in these examinations. Okay, and next 5 is mock test, and mock test is very important, because by giving mock test your speed and accuracy will increase. See, this kind of examinations is one kind of you can say entrance, because after 11-12 those who will give this entrance examination can get this idea of how to crack the exam, that means crack this entrance examinations. You will learn from this also, because this kind of examinations, cracking this kind of examinations is one kind of strategy for your 11-12th entrance. Okay, so these are you can say these are class 7, 8, 9, 10 standards entrance examinations. Okay, so you have to make a complete strategy or complete plan to crack this examination, then it is very easy for this kind of student. Okay, next thing is you have to visit this different website. Okay, different website. Different websites, because different website will show you different type of questions, different types of uh, examinations, and different types of mock test, etc. So you have to give this, and some of this website will provide you free of this examinations or mock test. So you have to keep these things to increase your speed. Okay, and also you have to follow their official website to get this different notification while they will you know uh, start their mock test, while they will provide you with the study materials, etc. I will another thing is that I will request all of you, please, and stay with us and see and enjoy all the classes and give this mock test. We will also take this mock test to improve the speed of our student, those who are connected with us. So keep this mock test when we will start, and enjoy all these classes. Okay, so this type of classes are based on this math section. Okay, math section, that means mathematical ability test on this section. Another is set section. So basically we will start this math section first of all, and here also I will start science part and reasoning part also. And biography of this Babuji Katkar. That means all these topics about I will try to keep, but we have to get this positive response from you. If you show your positive response, then only I will take this class. Otherwise, you please don't comment, sir, why you have not taken this class. I am requesting all of you, please write on the comment section, sir, we want to take these classes free of cost. Then definitely I will take, if your response is more and enough to take these classes, okay, for us. So please enjoy this video, and I will take another video most probably some of this within 2-3 days, where I will discuss different questions for this years, and some of this mathematical problems also I will try to make you understand. Okay, so those who have not connected in this today's class, please see this video and share with your friends, and please make a group separately and write your WhatsApp numbers on the comment section. We will try to definitely provide you a good study materials through PDF format. Okay, so this is our today's class. Please share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.